Yo, that just hit my wallet. Real money from HiFami, and this was the second time. Now, most people using this app are doing it completely wrong, and that is why they never see a single dollar. Let me show you everything. What's good, everyone? Welcome back. So look, you guys have been blowing up my DMs asking about HiFami. Is it real? Did you actually get paid, or is this cap? Fair enough. So I used it. I withdrew twice. I recorded the whole thing, and I'm about to show you exactly what happened, the good and the bad. Because there's something about this app that nobody on YouTube is telling you right now. Let's get into it. Alright, real quick, if you have never seen HiFami before, here is what you need to know. It's basically a social app with a game built into it. You have got this farm right here. This is where you collect gold coins. You have got red packets. Think of them like little cash envelopes you grab from other users. You have got family rooms, daily tasks, games, all of it feeds into your balance. Now, here is the thing that confused me at first, and I see everyone making these mistakes. There is not one wallet, there is multiple. Gold coins, that is for leveling up. Red packet balance, that is what you can actually withdraw. And if you are in official family, you can earn diamonds too, which is all other wallet. Most people are grinding gold coins, wondering why they can't cash out. Wrong wallet, bro. Once I figured that out, everything changed. Okay, withdrawal number 1. This is where it gets real. So after about 2 weeks of using this app, collecting red packets, doing daily tasks, sitting in family rooms, my balance finally hit the minimum. And honestly, I was nervous because I have tested apps before where you grind for weeks and then the withdrawal just never comes. You know that feeling? You are sitting down there refreshing your wallet like, come on. So here is exactly what I did. Opened Binance, went to USDC, make sure I selected the Ethereum ERC20 network, and listen to me, if you pick the wrong network, your money is gone and not coming back. So pay attention to that. Copied the address, went back to HiFami, clicked withdraw, pasted, confirmed, and then I waited. Nothing happened for like 3 hours. I'm not gonna lie. I started thinking I just get played. I was about to make an angry video, but then, boom, right there, USDC in my wallet, red crypto, not a screenshot from somebody else's phone, my wallet. Yes, bro, I'm not gonna sit here and tell you I was jumping around the room because the amount was small. It was, but the fact that it actually came, that is what mattered, because now I knew this thing is real. Let me run it back. So for round 2, I switched up my approach. First time, I was just randomly tapping around the app, hoping for the best. This time, I got strategic. 3 things I focused on. 1, I stack gold coins to level up my miner faster. The higher you level, the more your red packet balance grows. 2, I joined an active family, not a dead room where nobody is doing anything. An active one where people are actually gifting and engaging. And 3, I added playmates aggressively because more playmates means more red packets available to grab. Simple math. And yo, here is a little hack nobody talks about. The daily tasks. Do all of them every single day. Most people skip them because they seem small, but they stack up way faster when you think. 10 days later, hit the threshold again. Same process. Binance USDC ERC20. Paste. Confirm. This time, under 3 hours. Now, before you go download this app thinking you are about to quit your job, we need to talk. Yes, we need to talk. I got to keep it real with you because that is what this channel is about. This took time, like actual time. We are talking weeks of daily usage to get 2 small withdrawals. This is not a make money in 2 minutes thing, no matter what nobody tells you on TikTok. And the amounts, small. I'm not going to inflate numbers for clicks. You already saw what I withdrew. But here is how I think about it. And one of my subscribers actually DM'd me this and he stuck with me. He said, bro, I was spending 3 hours a day on TikTok doing nothing. At least now, I'm spending that time on something that actually pays me back, even if it is small. And that is different because is right. This isn't about get rich off an app. Nobody's getting rich off an app. But if you are already on your phone, let's be honest, we all are. Why not make some of that screen time work for you? The people who actually build something from apps like this aren't the ones looking for magic. They are the ones who just don't quit. Alright, so if you are downloading HiFami today in 2026, here is exactly what I do. 1. Set up your Binance wallet before you start. Don't wait. Have it ready day one, so when you hit that threshold, you can withdraw immediately. 2. And remember how I said most people are grinding the wrong wallet. This is where you fix that. Focus on gold coins early. Level up that miner. Higher level equals faster red packet growth. That is the wallet that actually pays you. 3. Join an active family. Ask around. Find one where people are actually in the room, gifting and engaging. Dead rooms equals dead earnings. 4. Complete every daily task. Every single one. This is where lazy people fall off and consistent people pull ahead. 5. Add playmates like crazy. More playmates, more red packet. It's not complicated. And 6. Give it 30 days minimum before you judge it. Most people quit in week 1 and then go comment, this app is fake. No. You just don't give it enough time. So does HiFami actually pay in 2026 based on 2 real withdrawals? Yeah, it does. Is it gonna change your life overnight? No, but is it worth your time if you're consistent? I think so. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment right now. Have you tried HiFami? Did you actually withdraw or are you still stuck? Tell me, because I read every single comment and I help you out. And if you're new here and you want more re-app reviews, no cap, no fake screenshots, just actual proof. Hit subscribe because I have got a 30-day deep dive coming next that is going to blow this one out of the water. I catch you in the next one. What's going to be? Don't thank me. And you welcome.